Hey everybody, welcome back to Naughty Donkey Performance. We haven't posted much in a while, but we got a few new things to show you. So what we've got is on your center console. You guys always know how you messed up they get with arm wear, greasy, dirty, whatever. But we used to manage a car lot, and we had so many center consoles on every type of vehicle that I always had to send them out to get redone, reupholstered. So anyway, to protect this one, we've been running this crappy towel or another towel on it ever since we got it new. So it still looks like this though, at 65,000 miles. But I thought, man, there's gotta be something out there. And this thing came across my feed. This is from KBH. I never had heard of them. I was a little leery. It was like 39 bucks or 35. But they had a lot of different varieties of these covers to choose from. So you could get it plain, you could get it with red stitching, you could get it with blue stitching, you could get it pillow top. I mean, they have so many. So when you go to their website, you just click on your vehicle and then what type of console you have, and then it gives you all the options. And somebody told me they sell some things, some console covers on Amazon. I don't know about those, but I do know about this. I've had it for about a month. I like it a lot. The stitching does seem high quality, and the install is pretty easy. So you just open it up, slide it on with your elastic straps here. And again, at first I was pretty leery of it. I wasn't sure it would be very good, but fits great. Still access to your phone thing and your little charger and all that. But very comfortable. Adds an extra layer of cushion, slightly higher, which is better for me. They do make a thicker, heavier duty one, well, thicker padding one, but I didn't get that. I just went with the stocker. But anyway, I like it a lot, guys, and doesn't interfere with the opening or closing at all. Seems to work really great. And like I say, you can get blue stitching, all sorts of options on it. But I'll link you below to it, KBH. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but it seems like a really good product, and I thought you guys would enjoy it. And again, it keeps your center console in good condition, so when you go to sell your rig, you're not dropping a bunch of money on reupholstery or trying to explain why it looks so crappy. So, till next time.